Hello students, today we are going to continue our topic matrices. Let us go for next problem in matrix inversion method. We did the problems of Cramer's rule and Gauss-Jordan method. We are going to do one problem by using matrix inversion method. Problem: solve the equations two x minus y plus 3z equal to 8. 2x minus y plus 3z equal to 8. Minus x plus 2y minus x plus 2y plus z equal to 4. Another one is 3x plus y minus 4z equal to 0. Equations again, I tell the equations: 2x minus y plus 3z equal to 8 minus x plus 2y plus z equal 4, 3x plus y minus 4z equal 0. By using matrix inversion method. Matrix inversion method. Understand? Okay. First of all, write the given equations in matrix form as like this. Write the coefficients of x, y, z: 2, minus 1, 3, minus 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, minus 4, x, y, z equal to 8, 4, 0. A x equal to D. We write x equal to A inverse into D. Formula of A inverse: A inverse equal to edge A by det A. Okay. We are going to find first determinant A. Determinant A equals to, take like this: 2, minus 1, 3, minus 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, minus 4. Find determinant using first row 2 off. Take AD minus BC. 2 into minus 4 minus 1 into 1. Next, for the second element, change the sign. Plus 1 off. Delete its corresponding row column. Minus 1 into minus 4. Okay. Delete its row column. Minus 1 into minus 4. Minus 1 into 3. Okay, as like this, 2 into minus 8 minus 1 plus 1 4, one more thing here, plus 3 of delete its corresponding row column, minus 1 into 1 minus 2 into 3. Okay. Next, the continuation is as like this, minus 8 minus 1, 1 into 4 minus 3, okay, 3 into minus 1 minus 6, 2 into minus 9, 1 into 1, 3 into minus 7, okay. Now, the continuation is as like this, minus 18 plus 1 minus 21. Understand? So, what will come here? Minus 20 minus 18 minus 38. Okay, minus 39 plus 1. Now, we are going to find adjoint matrix. To find adjoint matrix of A. As it is, write the matrix 2 minus 1 3 minus 1 2 1 3 1 minus 4. Write the first column as it is, 2 minus 1 3. Write the first row as it is, 2 minus 1 3 2. To write adj, write in this order, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay. Take the formula AD minus BC and write the values in columns as like this. So, at J equal to, take like this, first element is this one, take AD minus BC, minus 8 minus 1, write in column. Next here, 1 into 3, 12 minus 4, AD minus BC. Next, AD minus 1 minus 6. Next, fourth one, AD minus BC, 3 minus 4. Next, this one, AD minus BC, minus 8 minus 9. Sixth one, AD minus BC, minus 3 minus 2. Next, seventh one, AD minus BC, minus 1 minus 6. Eighth one, AD minus BC, minus 3 minus 2. Ninth one, 4 minus 1. Understand? Okay? Now, this can be taken as minus 9 minus 1 minus 7. Next, this is 8 minus 17 minus 5 minus 7 minus 5 3. This is adjoint of matrix A. Now x equal to A inverse into D. A inverse. First find A inverse. 1 by det A minus 38. Edge A minus 9 minus 1 minus 7. 8 minus 17 minus 5 minus 7 minus 5 3. Okay, we are going to take x equal to A inverse into D. Now x equal to A inverse into D. Understand? A inverse minus 1 by 38 minus 9 minus 1 minus 7. 8 minus 17 minus 5 minus 7 minus 5 3 into matrix D 8 4 0. D matrix is 8 4 0 minus 1 by 38 minus 9 8 is 72 minus 4 minus 6. Okay, 8 8 is 64 minus 68 minus 0. Next, okay, 8 8 is 64 minus 0. Next one, okay. Next thing is as like this, minus 56 minus 20, okay, minus 76. This one is 8 minus 17 minus 4. Thing is as like this, minus 17 minus 5. Second row, 76 as like this. Okay, now the continuation is as like this, minus 72 minus 4, 8 8 is 64 minus as like this at GA. The matrix is 2 minus 1 3 minus 1 2 1 3 1 minus 4. Okay, 3 as like this, 2 minus 1 3 2. The first column is 8 plus 1. First thing is we write it as 8 plus 1. Next, one thing, see here, wait, 2 next one is minus 56 minus 20. So minus 1 by 38 minus 76, minus 76, minus 76. Okay. This can be taken as like this. Understand? This can be taken as like this. Minus 1 by 38 into minus 76. Minus 1 by 38 into minus 76. Minus 1 by 38 into minus 76. What will come here? 38 twos are. 38 twos are. 38 twos are. So this is capital X value. Capital X nothing but x, y, z equal to 2, 2, 2. What will come here? X equal to, y equal to, z equal to 2. Understand? We can do the problem as like this. Understand? Okay, we have to do one more problem as like this. Okay. Now we are going to find the if a equals to next problem. If a equals to, okay, 133, 143, 33, 143, okay, 134, 134. Find adjoint of matrix. Adjoint A. Okay, solution. To find edge A, do as like this. Okay. Write the matrix as it is. 1, 4, 3, 1, 3, 4. Write the first column. Next 1, 3, 3, 1. Understand? Okay. Now continuation is as like this. Take first element, this one. Take in columns 1, 2, 3, fourth element, fifth element, sixth element, seventh, eighth, ninth element. Understand? Okay. Find direct edge A value. Edge A equals to first element AD minus BC, 16 minus 9, AD minus BC. Second element 3 minus 4, take in column. Third element 3 minus 4. Okay. Next 9 minus 12, fourth element. 4 minus 3. Next, sixth element, 3 minus 3. Seventh element, 9 minus 12. Eighth element, 3 minus 3. Ninth element, 4 minus 3. Understand? So, it can be 7 minus 1 minus 1. Understand? Next minus 3 1 0 minus 3 0 1. This is the adjoint of the matrix. This is the way to find the adjoint of the matrix. Understand? Okay? Okay, we should continue it in the next class.